They have a patent on their technology. It's a liposomal micellization combination. And they did a study actually that was contracted through the Mayo Clinic where they took 20 participants, gave them our ultrasound product, and then did blood draw serum levels to see how much of the dose they took orally was actually absorbed. And it showed that they were 80 to 94% absorption across all 20 participants. And the study length went for 12 hours. So they had fast onset and 12 hours of 80 to 94% absorption. So that's one of the things that makes this product really unique. Like I could start this sentence and you could finish it, and that is like oil and water don't
Mix.
mix, right? So that's the problem with most hemp oils, is that you don't get much out of it. So I get clinical results often with this product because it's absorbed at that 80 to 94%.